What is the weather?
Please, which city are you currently?
Wolverhampton.
Did you say Wolverhampton?
Yes.
Okay then. The weather report for Wolverhampton is as follows. The temperature is 1.2 degrees Celsius. The humidity is 83%. The pressure is 1008 millibars. The weather report is clear sky.
What is your middle name?
I don't have the right response now. Please, what should I say next time when what is your middle name is asked?
My middle name is Peter.
Did you say my middle name is Peter?
Yes.
Okay then. I just learned a new response today. Thanks for teaching me.
You are welcome.
Okay.
What is machine learning?
Machine learning is a method of data analysis that automates analytical model building. IT is a branch of artificial intelligence based on the idea that systems can learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention.
What is the time?
The time is 14 minutes past 1 a.m.
What is the date?
The 7th of December, 2021.
What is your name?
My name is Smart Robot.